Welcome back, everybody. This is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, tapping in with you with another unboxing that I believe a lot of you are probably anticipating the release of this shoe, which came out there last week. But unfortunately, most of us out there are not going to be able to put these on because they only come in GS sizing and below. So if you can wear a 7 wide or below that, then you know you're golden. But for the rest of us out there, we're just going to have to wait and kind of suffer until Nike decides that, hey, they're gonna make an adult version of this sneaker. But before we get into it, please smash the like button for me. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tapping and hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. And here we have the box, all black box, nothing too special about it. We got the, gold Jumpman there in the middle of the lid, and the label on here reads, Air Jordan 5 Retro Low GS Football Gray Brilliant Orange. And here we have a size 5.5 wide. I'm really not entirely sure how my girl's gonna feel about these. I got them for her for the upcoming Miami Hurricane football season, so she has something to wear. And here's the sneaker right there, guys. All right, the Miami Hurricane 5s. And overall, the color blocking, I feel like, listen, Jordan Brand gave us a great concept with this shoe, but unfortunately I feel like there's some things here that have missed the mark. So here you have the Jordan 5 Low Miami Hurricane sneaker, and yeah, unfortunately it's GS sizing and below. So let's go over the features here of the sneaker. Now the football gray is the uppers that you see all over here, and I must say I'm not exactly sure what this material is. It's supposed to be leather-esque, but it's not necessarily a leather. It's a well, some type of synthetic type material that's supposed to mimic leather. Other than that, we have gray laces actually laced in there. At the lace lock is orange, and the lace lock holder is kind of like this kind of milky white, as you can see there. Inside the sock liner, it's orange all the way around. On the sock liner foot pad, you see you got that green Jumpman down there, green insole foot pad with an orange Jumpman. On the tongue, it's the silver tongue, but you do have an orange Jumpman there as well. On the back of the heel, you have a kind of reflective silver Jumpman. Now, the part that throws me off with this sneaker are on the lateral and medial side with what they did to the side panels. They put like this kind of clear type of material with like these raindrops on there. Let me get that in close so you can see that. I mean, I'm not necessarily sure why they gave that to us on this sneaker. To me, it throws us off completely. But looking at the rest of the shoe, we have a green and orange midsole there, clear air unit, and then taking a look here at the outsole, we have green and orange as well, which is highly representative of those Miami Hurricanes. And listen, it's not a bad sneaker. It's just, it didn't need these rain droplets there on the lateral and medial side. I'm not entirely sure why they gave it to us. And then the shark teeth, I mean, you be the judge on how you feel about the shark teeth that they put there on the shoe. For whatever reason, it kind of looks off to me. Now, I know what I'm saying is kind of off-putting to the shoe, but I would encourage you to go to the store and look at these yourselves. I believe they launched in all the major retailers, Foot Locker, Finish Line, JD Sport, Champs, all those places. And you can go in there, take a look at the shoe, and decide for yourself if it's something that you'd like to, get for yourself, ladies, or kids, or something like that. I mean, it's not a bad looking sneaker. I just feel like there's a few things on here that kind of missed the mark when it comes to this shoe. Let me go ahead and pull the other one out here just so we have a look at it. And here we go. Here's the right side. And the QC on here is actually not bad. I didn't see any major glue stains or anything like that. But once again, you can see those water droplets under those clear kind of side panels. And yeah, I mean, I don't know. That's just something there on the shoe that we did not need. But overall, it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. If these came in adult sizing without the water droplets there on the side, I mean, I think these would have moved fairly well, especially if you had put them in like the mid-cut Jordan 5s. But you know what? hey, nothing we can do about it. Maybe it'll give it to us at some point there down the line. Once again, like I said, smash that like button for me. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tapping in. Hit the subscriber button, click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day's a great day to wear your kicks.